Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life or Beauty for Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl March 2023, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Toyl. If you're new to Toyl Beauty for Life, this is a monthly premium subscription box because it costs £39.99, including the shipping fee, and you will get every month premium beauty products from skincare to makeup. And also, lovelies, the good thing about Toyl that they show you the products on the 18th of the month, renew always on the 19th, so you can see the products beforehand, and you can decide if you want to pause it or continue with subscription. And every month, lovelies, I'll do my lineup spoiler every 18th of the month, so make sure to subscribe. And if you want to know more about this product, I'll pop the link on the top here. So yes, let's open this month. And lovelies, also, if you want to subscribe to Toyl, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will get £5 off on your first box. So yes, all the info, all the link will be in the description box below as always. So yes, let's open this box, lovelies. So yes, lovelies, this month box is quite heavy. And yes, let's see. So on the top we have Karen, which is the founder of Toyl. She put something here on the top, and it says, "Dear, I received this product in my beauty subscription box from Toyl this month, and I thought that you will love it, so it's my mini gift from me to you. Hope you enjoy it from." And then at the back it says, "Don't you have a lovely friend to fill you in? She subscribed to our monthly beauty box at toyl.co.uk, where every month I create what I think are amazing beauty boxes for women just like us. If you would like to find out more, then visit us at toyl.co.uk, and if it takes your fancy, use the code HELLO, HELLO. You will save 50% of your first box." Wow, do remember to let your friend know if you sign up. So if you use that code and you put the name of your friends on the note, she too will get something in return. We like to look after everyone. If you have any queries, email me at info@toyl.co.uk. Otherwise, enjoy your gift, Karen. So yes, if you want to use that code, lovelies, I think it's really a great start, because it's 50% off. Who doesn't love an amazing bargain? So yes, go and check it out, lovelies. And then we got the booklet here, and it says, "Welcome to your Toyl March box." And this month, lovelies, worth £135.95. Wow. And this month theme is the caring box. And then it says here, "Welcome to the first box of spring 2023. I can't believe that we're almost in spring. Wow." And it says, "I think we are all thrilled that most of those winter days are behind us, and already down south we have a few days when we can actually sit in the garden with sunglasses. I can't wait." This month's box is a starter to get your skin ready for spring. In short, we are looking to get rid of that winter dullness and give ourselves a glow up. So yes, let's see, lovelies, let's open this box. I'm so excited. Full in here. So the first product in here, lovelies, and I never tried something from this brand, but I heard good reviews of the products from this brand. And this is from Bottery, and this is the Uplift Your Skin Natural Glow Day Cream. It has 50 ml, and I am pretty sure this is a full size, and this one is worth £70. I know this brand, like, their products quite expensive. So it looks like this, and inside, let's see. Ooh. yeah, it doesn't smell of anything. It's cream, lovelies. Let's try. Oh, it's quite a thick consistency, as you can see. I don't know why I'm showing you, lovelies, but you can't see because it's a cream, but it's a very thick consistency. It has quite a bit of like citrus scent. Smells like fresh. Feels really soft my hand at the moment, and I can't wait to try this one. And here it says, luxury gorgeous beauty in a pot is what this take moisturizes is from award-winning Votary, created by a makeup artist who knows that great makeup starts with a great skin, and I agree with that. And this is the perfect glow up in a pot. Get your skin ready for a spring glow. So yes, oh, smells really nice. So yeah, see, this is the first item. The next one we have, lovelies, and I love this brand. This is from Christoph Robin. This is the regenerating shampoo with prickly pear oil, revitalize and deeply nourish hair. Here we go, the product. It's a full size because it's huge, and it has 250 ml, and this one it's retail for 31 pounds, and it says fragrant moisturizing hair care from a fabulous brand. This creamy shampoo is formulated to nourish and revitalize damaged hair and works on all hair types. Let me smell it. It smells like, you know, the baby stuff. It smells nice. Smells lovely, lovelies. Oh, can't wait to try this one. And I know Christoph Robin is a really great brand. I love their products. So yes, can't wait to try this. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Formule Prescott 3 Balm. Cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize. 3-in-1 geranium and mandarin. It has 20 grams. Here we go. I hope you can see it, lovely. I really hope you can see it. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see. And it does look like this inside. And then, oh, it has like deodorant type of applicator. And here it says, let's see, it says in here, lovelies, I was recommended this brand by Antonia, who works with me on our social media, and what I find it is, traveling or not this summer, it's the only product you will need for skin, and I hope you love it. And it says here, a luxurious facial balm which cleanse, exfoliate and moisturize in one simple step. 3 Balm contains no harmful chemical, paraben, silicone or synthetics. Easy to use, non-spill, and suitable for all skin type. 3 Balm is the ultimate multi-purpose product. So straight from the stick, apply to face and neck. Gently massage it using upward circular movements. Facial massage helps to promote healthy glowing skin. If using as a cleanser, removing with a soft damp cloth. So yes, I never heard from this brand, but I'm really curious to try because it smells like, it has that citrus clean smell. I really like the scent. So yes, can't wait to try this one. And then we have, I think the last product we have here. Oh, we have 2 products in here. The same product we have from Beauty Pro, and this is the Nourishing Collagen Mask. Collagen, olive oil and rose. And this one is the product. You have 2 products in here, as you can see. And this one, it's retail for £4.95 each. And this one, this is when you get to share your love of beauty products with a family member or friend. As you treat to them, simply pop one of the masks in the envelope, fill in the note and send it. So here it says that the olive oil extract works to not only reduce the sign of aging and promote the regeneration of cell, but is also a powerful ingredient to protect against sun damage and treat hyperpigmentation. The marine collagen will reduce dryness and boost moisture levels, as well as improve skin elasticity, making it a great anti-aging treatment and perfect for when the skin feels like it needs that extra bit of pampering. So wow. So yes, lovely, that's all for my unboxing. So let's do a recap. You will receive, for you and for your friend or for family member, 2 of the mask from Beauty Pro Nourishing Collagen Mask, and then you will get a full-size product from Watery Uplift Your Skin Natural Glow Day Cream. I can't wait to try this one. It feels my skin, my hands now feels really soft, so I can't wait to try it on my face. The other product that I'm really curious to try, and the Francis Prescott 3 Balm Cleanse Expert Moisturize. I never tried like product like this all over my face, like a balm type of applicator, so curious to try it. And then we have a full-size product from Christoph Robin, another great brand, and this is the Regenerating Shampoo. Can't wait to try this one too. So yeah, that's it, lovelies, for my unboxing. And yes, for me, it's a thumbs up. I'll definitely use every single product in this box. And yes, and you lovelies, what do you think of this month box? Did you receive already? Are you waiting for this box? What product are you excited about? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.